Hey guys, today we're gonna be making my stewed oxtails mixed with cumin pasta. It's so good and very easy to make. So if you'd like to see how to make this dish, just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing you want to do to prepare this dish is to cook the oxtails. I have a separate video on how to make the oxtail. I'll link it down below in the description box for you guys so you could follow that, make your oxtail first. And now let's move on to the pasta. So the second thing you want to get started on is your pasta. So this is the pasta I'm using, you guys. It's lasagna pasta. And you cook it following the package directions until al dente. Don't cook it too soft. And then what you want to do is cut it into strips. So as you saw me doing, I'm taking my knife and I'm just cutting it into long strips, but in about 2 to 3 pieces to make flat wide noodles, but not as wide as lasagna noodles. Okay, so just cut it like you see me doing. So once you've prepared the pasta, you guys, you're gonna get your frying pan and place it over medium heat, and to that I'm adding in some oil. I'm using olive oil, and once the oil got a little hot, I added in some ground cumin powder and some crushed red pepper flakes. So the more crushed red pepper flakes you add, the spicier your pasta will be. So just keep that in mind. And as always, check the description box down below. I'll list the measurements I'm using for everything down there. Alright? And give that a stir. Let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Just until you start smelling the flavors from the cumin and the red pepper flakes a little bit. And then what you want to do, you guys, I chopped up some onion, bell peppers, green bell peppers, and tomatoes, and you're gonna add that into the pot with the seasonings. Okay, let that cook for about 3 minutes or so until the veggies soften a little. And then what you're gonna do is take the pasta, the cooked pasta, and mix it in with the veggies and the cumin and the crushed red pepper flakes. Give that a good mix to incorporate everything together. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or so again. And yeah, next I'm gonna drizzle in some of the sauce, some of the gravy from my cooked oxtail. Alright, so add in some of that to coat the pasta with. Give it a good stir again. And you guys, that is basically it for this very easy but so delicious pasta recipe mixed with oxtails. Alright, so if you want, you could mix some of the oxtail in with the pasta, or you could serve it separately like this. Place it in a bowl, place the pasta, and add more gravy and top it with the oxtail on top. And that's it, you guys. Super delicious. Give it a try. Let me know what you thought about it. And yeah, you guys, and that's it for this recipe, you guys. All that's left to do is serve yourself a bowl and enjoy oxtail and cumin pasta mixed together. So good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see my upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.